both pedals, launch control enabled, first gear. Welcome along guys, I'm hunting for somewhere to film some launch control. I wanted to get a few camera angles, one from the side. I'm gutted it's so windy. I would have brought the drone to follow me as well while I did it, but it's too windy, can't fly it. It's absolute hooly winds. I've got cameras here, I've got cameras there. It's rather scary though. I'm thinking tripod here, looking up the road there with the camera, and then try it from up there. Let's do it. Okay, tripod set up over there. Hope no one stops and nicks it. Let's get in position. I'm a bit scared, I have to be honest. I'm a bit apprehensive about this. Don't let me down, baby. Don't let me down. We're in launch control mode 3, which I think is the lowest. Well, I'm hoping is the easiest setting, the slowest setting. But I'm not completely insane and lost my use of my brain setting. Before I do this, I'm going to put on the anti-wheelie, so when the traction control comes off, I'm not left with no anti-wheelie and going flat out. I want to go maximum anti-wheelie just in case. Just in case, I don't want to die. I'm going to go and turn around up here and come back. Nobody nicked my camera! If it gets nicked, I'm starting to GoFundMe. I'm doing this for you guys. You can help me buy a new one. Look, it was about here. Right. Press both the paddles down. There's a car coming. Is he coming? No. Right, neutral. Both paddles. Launch control enabled. First gear. I'm glad I had to wheelie on, Jesus Christ. That'll do! I'm not doing it again! Oh my word. Oh, that was terrifying. That was terrifying. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be actually. I could have been more aggressive letting the clutch out. I could have dumped the clutch aerial atom there. Oh, he'd be fun to chase through the twisties up here, wouldn't he? That's the anti-wheelie, that's on the highest level of anti-wheelie, so it's quite aggressive. It's aggressive. Makes it go like a kangaroo. Maybe that's because I had launch control 3. Maybe if I dialed back the launch control, it wouldn't be quite so kangaroo-y up the road. Be a bit smoother. The camera's still there. Thank the Lord. There we go, guys. As promised, launch control. I can't rate how it was. I was too terrified. But it wasn't particularly quick. Could have been the way I let the clutch out. I was a bit tentative, and it was on level 3, so I think there was a lot of that going on. But there we go. There's launch control. For those who said, "Oh, what about the launch control?" Done. Launch control ticked. Don't ask me to do it again. I'm gonna think I'm a copper sat here doing this, aren't I? I'm sure everyone will be slamming their brakes on as they go past. Yeah, you're getting done for speeding, mate. I'm having you.